Well, here we are in absolute nothingness. We've officially made it to the Anza Borrego desert for some good camping, good food, some exploring. It's gonna be a good time. Welcome to the adventure. Come join us. And just like that, we're at camp. After a long day of driving, we found a place called Valley, about 8 miles from town. Got to camp a little later than we wanted, so we didn't do any sightseeing today, but that'll be done for tomorrow. Right now, we're gonna get some rest, make some good food. Tomorrow, we're gonna do some exploring and just kind of wing it. See how we go. But this is gonna be more of a relaxing video. I'm not gonna be doing a whole lot, nothing crazy, but we're definitely making some good food. So we got something on the menu tonight. Right now I'm just perched up on a rock. Great view of the hills out there. Good sunset behind me. That should be pretty good. But I'm gonna relax, chill out. Dog's already digging a hole. Got some cool cloud formations behind me. It's a neat area. If you've never been out here, highly recommend it. And I don't know, it's our third time out here, but every time we come out here, we do something different. So we'll see what tomorrow brings, but right now we're gonna make some food and chill by the fire. We actually got a wood fire this time, no propane. But stick around. Let's see what we got going on. Bye. Well, I could say without a shadow of a doubt that that was the windiest night I've ever spent at camp in a long time. It just didn't let down and it's still going on. But running on a few hours of sleep today. Today's gonna be a day of just, we're kind of winging it today. Just checking out some sites, a little exploring. There's some new sculptures that have been put out by Ricardo Bracetta. And if you haven't seen that video, you can check that out. It's one of my latest ones. So we're gonna kind of wing it today, just kind of see what we can find. Wildflower blooms are in season now, so that's gonna be another thing. And yeah, we're gonna get out of here, have a quick breakfast, and head back into town. We'll kind of go from there. No real plan, so we'll figure it out. But come join us. We'll see how it goes. Yeah.
Got a picture of the Jeep up on the rock next to it. Is she still in it? Oh yeah. She's there. Be back. Wow, these are neat.
Well, after a day of sightseeing and being tourists, we are at our second camp in a place called Blair Valley, which, from what I understand, is pretty popular. But if you go further out in, you get some pretty neat sights. Very primitive, no restrooms, no water, no nothing. Pack it in, pack it out kind of thing, which is how I like it. And so right now I'm just doing like a little hike around the area, trying to see where some of these old roads go. I guess there's a petroglyph area around here somewhere. We have yet to find it, but I don't know. That's all right. But I'm gonna climb this hill and see where this goes, and then I'll kind of show you camp is that way somewhere. But I'll kind of see where this goes. It looks pretty interesting. Lots of really neat campsites around here. Cool. We've got all kinds of hills around us, and it's all good there. Yeah. Beautiful views all around here. Kind of hoping to see some bighorns, but again, we have yet to find anything. Let's see where the top of this hill goes. There is nothing around us for at least 5 miles. That's how far in we came from the entrance. We're 5 miles in, and there's still more of the road to go that we didn't even go. We just saw a nice flat spot and took it. You can see we're right there. There's still no one around. Oh, I'm gonna make my way back down. I don't know what time it is. We'll probably make some food soon. Relax under the stars. Get out of here tomorrow. Just chill. But the whole trip has been just a relaxing trip. No crazy wheeling, no nothing like that. Just kind of wanted to be tourists. If you saw the last video I did where we went to the sculpture garden for Ricardo Bracetta, he makes all the sculptures in this area that are out around Borrego Springs. Well, he put some new ones out here. So we found a couple of them. I don't know how many new ones there are. I was just told that there were new ones. But we found 2 at least. And we've seen all the other ones. We've seen them all. And we really had no reason to go and look at them again. So we just did our thing and relaxed, and didn't do a whole lot of filming, but we saw some wildflower blooms, which, to be honest, wasn't spectacular. But I guess you have to come in middle of March is when it really comes through. But we just had a lot of rain, so we're hoping to be a lot better. But this place is definitely worth it. Again, I'm at Blair Valley. Totally awesome. I got some shots of the sunset and stuff too, and dinner, and just chill. I'm gonna go sit in my chair and catch up with you guys in a little bit. All right, bye.
Yeah, it's a better one.
All right, folks, and just like that, we're out of here. Had a beautiful, amazing 2 days out here in Anza Borrego, seeing some stuff we didn't see before, and just a relaxing time. Sorry if this video was a little boring. Didn't really do a whole lot. It was all about relaxing, but still wanted to come share it. Share some good cooking, good views. The hillsides behind me had a great sunset, and then the hills on the other side had a great sunrise, and the truck was in a perfect spot. Not windy like the night before, so that was good. Got a million times better sleep. Yeah, I needed this. So we're gonna go ahead and get out of here. Probably head into the area of Julian, then head home from there. But at this time, I want to go ahead and be cliche and invite you guys to like and subscribe and check out the other videos if you haven't seen them before. And I invite you to come out here. Check out Anza Borrego if you haven't been here before. It's an amazing place. It really is, and there's so much to see. Like I said, this is our 3rd time out here, and we still haven't seen everything. And there's something for everybody. So it's just a great place all around. So I'll see you around, and we'll catch you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye.